Hello, hello students. General Science Standard 8. Okay, today we will solve exercise lesson number 6, composition of matter. Okay, see first, choose the appropriate option and rewrite the following statements. The intermolecular force is dash dash in the particles of solid. Options are there: minimum, moderate, maximum, and indefinite. Maximum is the answer. Intermolecular force is maximum in the particles of solid. Second one, solid remains their volume even when external pressure is applied. This property is called incompressibility. Okay. Then third one, matter is classified into the types mixture, compound, and element by applying the criterion states of matter. This is the answer, state of matter. Next one, matter that contains two or more constituent substance is called compound. Okay, we have to write here compound. The next one, milk is an example of type of matter called homogeneous mixture. Next one, water, mercury and bromine are similar to each other because three are liquids. Mercury is also liquid, exception case from metal, but mercury is in liquid condition. Bromine is also liquid and water is also liquid, and so these three are liquids. Valency of carbon is 4 and that of oxygen is 2. From this, we understand that there are two chemical bonds between the carbon atom and one oxygen atom is in the compound carbon dioxide. That is 2. Carbon dioxide means CO2, and here we have two chemical bonds. Okay, 2 is the answer. The next question, answer the following questions. Plants synthesize glucose in sunlight with the help of chlorophyll from carbon dioxide and water and give away oxygen. Identify the 4 compounds in this process and name their types. We have to write that is type C, that composition which have photosynthesis C plus O2, CO2, CO2 plus H2O, C6H6, H12O6. Okay, this compound we have to write. In one sample of brass, the following ingredients were found: copper 70%, zinc 30%. Identify the solvent, solute, and solution. One sample of brass, the following ingredients were found: copper है, zinc है, and solvent, solute, solution from these. And next one, C, water, tastes salty due to dissolved salt. The salinity, the proportion of salts in water of those of some water bodies. Lunar Lake 7.9%, Pacific Ocean 3.5%, Mediterranean Sea 3.8%, and Dead Sea 33.7%. Explain two characteristics of mixture from the above information. Here, seawater is the mixture of sodium chloride, potassium chloride, sodium sulfate, potassium sulfate. All these salts mix in this water, and from that seawater is the mixture of H2O and this mixture of chloride, phosphate, sulfates, all these. And because of that, the percentage of proportion of salt in water is different in different places. Give two examples each. Liquid element C, bromine and mercury. Gaseous element hydrogen, oxygen. Solid element sodium, aluminium. Homogeneous mixture blood, plasma and mixture of sugar in water. When we mix sugar in water, they mix with water, and that is homogeneous mixture. Colloid, milk, butter and jelly. These are colloid. Organic compound, carbohydrates and proteins are organic compounds. Complex compound, chlorophyll and proteins. Inorganic compounds, common salt and limestone. Metalloid, germanium and silicon are metalloids. Elements with valency 1, potassium and chlorine. Sodium also valency 1. Elements and valency 2, calcium, magnesium that have valency 2. Write the names and symbols of the constituent elements and identify their valencies from the molecular formulae given below. KCl, valency I have written here, valencies of constituents elements, K1Cl1, HBr, KBr मध्ये K1Br1, then Mg2Br1, K2O, K1O2, O2, sodium 1, hydrogens valency 1, calcium valency 2, chlorine 1, then carbon 4 and chlorine 1, hydrogen valence is 1 and I 1, hydrogen 1, sulfur 2, and borium, that is Ba2 and Cl 1. Okay, the next question we will see this table. I will read question first. Chemical composition of some matter is given in the following table. Identify the main types of matters from there. Seawater. In the seawater, chemical composition they have given H2O plus NaCl plus MgCl2 and dash dash, means other chloride sulfate are mixed with seawater, and this is the main type of matter. What type of matter? Mixture. The next example, distilled water, that is chemical composition H2O, and this is the compound. The next one, hydrogen gas filled in balloon, that is H2. H2 is an element or molecule. The gas in LPG cylinder is C4H10, that is butane, and C3H8, this is propane. Butane and propane are in LPG cylinder, and this is the type of matter. Which one? Mixture. Mixture is the type of matter. Okay. The next one, baking soda, that is NaSCO3, sodium bicarbonate, means baking soda, and baking soda is also mixture, not element, because here are the NaCO3s. Pure gold, Au, is the element. The gas in oxygen cylinder O2 is also element. Bronze, that is Cu plus Sn, tin, copper and tin, that is mixture, of, and we get bronze. Diamond, copper, हे कार्बनचा अपरूप आहे diamond, and that is element. Then heated white powder of blue vitriol, CuSO4, is also compound. CuSO4, here copper, sulfate and oxygen mix करून इथे compound आपल्याला मिळालेला आहे copper sulfate. But when we give copper sulfate heat to, and from that copper sulfate water molecules gone, and only white powder of blue vitriol is remain. Then limestone, that is calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate is also compound. And dilute hydrochloric acid, that is HCl plus H2O, H2O has shown because that acid is in dilute form, and this one is also compound. Now see this, write scientific reasons. We have to write this. I will hydrogen is combustible, oxygen helps combustion, but water helps to extinguish fire. See, hydrogen is combustible, बरोबर. ऑक्सिजन हेल्प्स कंबशन, म्हणजे हायड्रोजन विझणारा वायू आहे, आग विझवणारा आहे. ऑक्सिजन आगीला मदत करणारा आहे, पण पाणी जे आहे हे पाणी आग विझवते. मग हे दोन्हीचे गुणधर्म हे वेगळे आहेत, ते पाण्यामध्ये येत नाहीत.